A US appeals court judge has said that even Nazis were treated better than how American officials have dealt with illegal immigrants who were packed off to prisons in El Salvador. The comments were made in reference to the deportation of over 200 migrants on the 15th of March by labeling them members of the notorious Tren de Aragua gang. The judge said that Nazis were given more rights to contest their removal from the United States, accusing the Trump administration of not giving Venezuelan immigrants the chance to prove that they were not gang members, as has been claimed. Remember these videos of men in handcuffs and shackles that El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele released? Now these men have been deported from the US and are now in Bukele's high security prison, which has quite a nasty reputation. The US has struck a deal with Bukele and will be paying his nation $6 million for housing these illegal immigrants. President Trump and his administration has claimed that all these migrants who were packed off to El Salvador were part of the extremely violent Tren de Aragua gang, which has its origins in Venezuela. So what's the connection between these immigrants and the reference to Nazis that the judge made? It's the use of the 1798 Alien Enemies Act by the Trump administration. The law was used during the Second World War to deport Japanese, Germans, and Italians. Family members of those who are incarcerated in El Salvador have claimed that their children are not members of any violent gang like Tren de Aragua, nor did they have any criminal cases against them. Some have also alleged that their boys were merely picked up because they had tattoos and were misidentified as gang tattoos. This is the second time that the Trump administration is clashing with the judiciary on the question of the deportation of these Venezuelan migrants to El Salvador. Before this, a judge in Washington had asked officials to stop the flights from leaving the US, even ordering them to turn around while he heard the case. The Trump administration had said then that the flights had already departed US territory before they received any official communication on the 2-week ban on deportations issued by the judge. When the judge gave the Trump administration more time to respond, the Trump administration refused to give any information, claiming it would jeopardize national security. A lawyer with the American Civil Liberties Union, representing some Venezuelan migrants, said that 8 Venezuelan women and a Nicaraguan man were among those flown to El Salvador but rejected by the government and returned to the US. Some families have now also made desperate appeals to Nayib Bukele of El Salvador to send their children back home. For more such videos, subscribe to SNG News, hit the like button and follow for more videos.